Open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android and tap on the search bar at the top. If your chats are locked and hidden, we need to enter in the secret code here. So if I enter in my secret code 1111, you can see locked chats pops up. So again, I can enter that in on my Android phone and I can just tap on lock chats. Now let's first just unhide these, and we can do that by tapping on settings at the top right of your iPhone or the three dots at the top right of your Android phone. And we can just turn off hide locked chats and then turn this off as well. Now, after you've done that, let's go back on here and you'll be able to see if you go back to the chat screen, I can swipe down and there are those locked chats. They're no longer hidden, but I can also unlock them just by tapping on lock chats here and then lock chats. And I can use my secret code here to enter that in. And enter that in. And now once I'm in here, all I need to do is press and hold on the chat and then hit unlock chat. Let's use my Face ID again and then press and hold on this one. Tap those three dots at the top right of your Android phone and choose unlock chat. And then again, you can use your Face ID or you can use that secret code or the unlock code for your Android phone. And now if I go back to the chat screen, I've officially unhid and unlocked both of those chats.